Hi guys, happy Monday 6th. I am recording this on April 2nd, but I think April 6th is supposed to be a nice day outside, so maybe go take a walk, get some fresh air. Still stay healthy though, don't interact with other people. Uh, but yeah, so I hope your first week went well, and I hope that you're not totally overwhelmed. If you are and you think, I don't know how I'm going to do this all, take a deep breath. We're going to get through this together. If you think you're going to be turning in something late because your other classes are overwhelming you as well with work, let me know. Communication, it's going to help us a lot during this time. If you're overwhelmed with how much assignments you're getting all at once, let me know if one of my assignments is going to be a couple days late, just so that I'm prepared for it and I know that it's due, but that you are struggling to get everything done while still staying mentally healthy. And your mental health and your physical health are the number one right now, guys. So don't forget that. So let's get into today's video. It's going to be pretty short. One, of course, start reading chapter 2. I'm going to go over it tomorrow's in class, but that doesn't mean that obviously you have to be done by tomorrow. It just means that when you are prepared to watch Tuesday's video, that you have already read the chapter, because the slideshows that I give you, yes, it goes over the main points, but it doesn't go over everything that is on your chapter 2 exam. Those little subsections of the chapters, those are still not fully gone over in my slides. I go over the main points of the main part of the chapter, but those little parts are often on the chapter test. Also, if you haven't gotten the book, I'm going to be scanning it, so don't worry about it. So I always will have, when I assign the reading, I'll have the scans on a slideshow. You can see that the scans for chapter 2 are already here. So make sure you're getting that reading done. It's an interesting chapter. I really like chapter 2. So let's get into what your activity is. This one's due tomorrow. It's a pretty simple activity. So this sheet is already in Google Classroom, so you don't have to make your own copy from this. This is just so that I have the link to it directly. And you're going to be doing this. This is the article that you'll be reading, but I also have the article here. So I have them attached in 2 places. And first you read the article. It'll take you about 35 minutes, this assignment, which sounds like a long time, but then again, at the same time, it might take you shorter because you might be a quicker reader than others. This is just a preliminary time set. So turn on the volume of your phones at the usual level. So if you have it on vibrate all the time, keep it on vibrate. If you have it full blast, keep it on full blast. And then you can listen to your headphones if you choose to, because this is all about noise and outside noise and how it can distract you, all right? So as you're reading this article, you're keeping track of the number of times you are distracted by your phone and others' phones. So this could be your family's phones too that are going off in the background, and also anything that distracts you from reading this article. So that includes this is talking about if you would be in a classroom, so announcements on the PA, someone entering or exiting the room. So obviously you're not going to have announcements on the PA, but one of your family members might come try to talk to you. Someone might be entering and exiting the room that you're reading in. A loud noise might be happening in your house. So mark that down every time something distracts you. But also not just your phone or someone else's phone or someone or something else, but also mark down every time your mind kind of wanders. Because you know that sometimes when you're reading something, your mind goes off in tangents without you giving it permission. Mark that down. So how you would mark that down, sorry, I don't have edit access, just you can put numbers, you can put dashes, whatever helps you keep track of how many times you're distracted. Just make sure that you're actually keeping track of it, all right? And then obviously this isn't going to be a group thing anymore. So once you're done with that and you've read through the article, and as you're, reading the article, you're marking down how many times you get distracted by that, extra noise. And noise, again, can be just anything that distracts you, even if it's just something quiet in your mind. If your mind wanders, you start daydreaming. And then, because we're not going to be doing group, answer this question before you're turning into this page. How does noise affect your ability to communicate? So, how does the outside world or your mind distract you when you're trying to do something? How does it distract you? What was most distracting for you? And how does it affect your ability to communicate? And communicate can be considered not just when reading something, so you're kind of communicating with your page of the reading, but also communicate with others. When you're talking to someone and there's noise all around you, let's say you're in a busy mall and you're trying to talk to your friends and you're in the food court or something and that's really loud, what distracts you? Do the stores distract you? Does someone yelling at their kid, a baby crying? How does that affect your ability to communicate with the person that you're with? Or affect your ability to, in this case, read that article? So how does that noise affect your ability to communicate? Write that down, just a few sentences, like 3 to 5 sentences, and then turn that in. So that is your assignment, which is due tomorrow, Monday, April 7th. That activity is already in Google Classroom. And then you're reading chapter 2. And again, the scans are right here. Follow this link, click right here. It'll lead you straight to my scans that I have put into a slideshow for you. If you have any questions, remember you can email me at any time. And also you can email me to say, hey, I need a live conference. Can we set up a hangout or a Zoom meeting? What day works for you? What time works for you? So email me saying, hey, can you try to do it 24 hours ahead of time, or at least 12 hours so I can put you in my schedule. But yes, set up an appointment with me and I will set up a hangout or Zoom meeting if you'd like a live one-on-one conference about something you might be confused with, okay? Don't leave it till the last minute though, alright? Okay. So have a good day. Stage fright article activity sheet due tomorrow, April 7th, and also reading chapter 2, which we will go over on tomorrow's instructor video. But again, make sure you read the entire chapter, however long it takes you before you watch the video, or the video might be a little, it won't cover as much as you think it will. Alright? Okay, so have a good day. I hope Monday, April 6th is nice and sunny. I'm trying to check the weather just so that I'm more accurate with you guys about what you could be doing other than homework and for your mental health. Okay, so Monday, it's supposed to be cloudy and a high of 56 degrees, so that's a pretty nice day. Maybe take a walk with your dog or with your family that you're actually quarantined with, or just take a walk, get some fresh air, sit on your back porch or whatever. Take care of your mental and physical health first, guys, okay? I am here for your education reasons, but I do want you guys to stay healthy and not be so overwhelmed that you're driving yourselves crazy and getting overwhelmed and have anxiety attacks. I don't want any of that. So please message me if you get a little overwhelmed, okay? All right, so have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.